Hello, everybody.
Hello. What you gonna do?
I'm just gonna have to say, I have one word to you guys.
One word? What's that?
I'm going to Ptaro City tomorrow.
Ptaro City tomorrow?
Yes, Ptaro City. Oh, that sounds so good. I love Ptaro City. You're gonna go there alone? Yep, with Boxxo. Okay. So this is one of the most time I see Ptaro City was just a vehicle-like city and was like a modern city. Good for me. This is not a village. It's a big city. Good for you.
Well, we need to defeat those goblins.
Which goblin? Oh, that goblin.
Yep, they're all goblins right here. Can you fight them?
Yes, I do. Everybody get ready. Charge!
Well, this is so cool. Now I have to use my what did I say? Protection. Okay, here it goes. Protection.
Whoa. Okay. This is awkward. Okay, now I have to use this. You stay there, Boxxo. I'll fight against the goblins. Yeah! This is one of most time. He! Hiya! Waya! Tia!
Well, their fighting skills are pretty good.
Huh. He. Phew. That was a close one. Now the goblins are defeated. Now, let's continue our activities. Okay, you can stop protecting us now. Thank you. Alright, Boxxo, let's just, find the Goblin King, alright?
The Goblin King? That's one of the biggest goblins I ever seen. You know, the Goblin King is in the cave, so we should probably defeat it.
You got it right, Director. Let's go.
Whoa, that's what I call the Goblin King!
Alright, let's defeat this way. Are you ready, guys? I'm ready as you are.
Okay, now I have to protect them again. Protect them!
Okay, now, this is the most time I've seen as my skills. Okay, ready for that?
Ready as you are, Lammis.
Alright, let's defeat that Goblin King. Ha! Yeah!
Oh.
This has gone into pain, right? Okay, now I have to use my water skills. Here I come.
It's my turn! Yeah! Oh. The guys are really stronger than he thought. Wow.
Oh no! What should we do?
We should probably run for it.
Yeah, let's run! Run for your lives! Quick, close the barrier!
Gosh, I never know they were running about it.
Finally, we made it outside safe, cause we're being attacked by King Goblin. I'm sorry, Boxxo, we can't defeat him. He's too strong.
Do you think the King Goblin will destroy us all?
Nope. I closed the barrier because he'll never get out.
Well, it's probably for the best.
Well, I guess we're about to... Boxxo, do you want to go to Ptaro City now? Congratulations! Okay. Guys, I have made a decision. What's that? Me and Boxxo are going to Ptaro City instead of defeating the King Goblin, okay?
What?
Me and Boxxo are going to Ptaro City. And that's why we're not defeating the King Goblin. I guess you're right. Okay. Ah. Well, good to see you. Hope to see you there. Bye.
Uh, she's about to take off, right? Well, that's not a wonderful time to see.
The poor Lammis, what should we do? I believe we should go home by ourselves. Boxxo, we better get to Ptaro City and fast, okay?
Well, that's pretty much it.